Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. Today we're going to be looking at some really smart joinery that's in this gate restoration. So today what we're going to be looking at is this particular joint here. I'll talk more about the gate, why I'm doing it, the age of the gate and all that stuff at the end of the video. So stay tuned and enjoy me putting this together. Yeah. 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 One more. Lovely. Yeah. 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 Yep. 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 If I did my job properly, you would have just seen me making this heel tenon, or parts of this heel tenon at least. It's from a project that me and Elliot are working on, a gate restoration. Now, the component that we're trying to manufacture looks a bit like this. The cross sections on the gate are made out of this channel. Well, they're not made out of this channel, they are made out of channel. And then the heels are riveted in with these flush rivets. And I'm going to go through this process now. I think it's a really cute little process, and I thought it deserved a little bit of attention, so it's going to get its own episode. The reason we're going through this process is because the gate had been cut and shortened at a period, and someone had basically cut through the heels, and in order to make it look like it used to look and make the two components, the two halves of the gates match, I'm having to go through the process of remaking the particular joint. Okay, what I've done is we drilled those drilled the tool holes out, and then I've got this Allen cap here that I'm just holding everything nice and tight in place with. Also, we've countersunk both sides of the of the work, both the different parts. And then what we're going to do now is I'm just going to trim this down to about a rivet size, and then I'm also going to trim down the studding that's sticking out, the thread that's sticking out the other end. Get these hot using a gas torch. Rivet them down, and then any inconsistencies that we're left with then afterwards, we'll just tidy those up, straighten everything up. Obviously we need to swap this one over for the same as this as well, so I'm going to do that now, and yes, it's going quite well. If you enjoyed this video, remember I have loads of other videos where we make tools like these box jaws and these universal tongs that you can hold loads of different stock sizes with. And I also make and sell these over on my online shop. There's a link to that in the description. Go and check that out, support the channel, and check out some of the other videos. This video and the series that will be accompanying it, that will be available for Patreons, has been about the restoration of the gate that you have just seen me working on. It's a really interesting project. It's an old gate, but we don't know how, well, I don't know how old it is. I've got some ideas. I think it's 1930s, but I don't know. I don't want to give too much away now, but anyway, long and short of it is, a customer approached me, said, can we do something? I said yes. It will take time. It's quite a difficult little thing to fix up and repair. If you are interested in seeing the other videos, you can do so by heading over to the Patreon. Any level of contribution to the Patreon will gain you access to the series, and it's everything from the breakdown, the build, chopping it up, and then the reconstruction of both gates. There's two gates, and the first gate isn't as bad as this one, but there is a big repair that needs doing to that one. It's all wrought iron. I've added steel, so it's not a true restoration, but it's as best we can do with the money that we've got available. So yeah, if you're interested in that, go and check out the Patreon, and thank you for joining me for this really incredibly little smart connection. So, thank you for joining me. I do hope you did enjoy this episode. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, why not ring that bell for notifications? Tells you every time I make videos. I try to make videos as often as possible. I get one out at least once a week. Normally, sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less. And if you'd like to support us in other ways, you can. You can share this video and leave a comment. You could also drop down into the descriptions where you will find information about all the links and other bits and bobs that relate to me and this channel and the workshop. You can head over to our Instagram. There's been loads of information about this on the Instagram through the stories and stuff like that. So I like to do little bits of posts and updates on things like that. You can also head over to our online shop and website. There's a little bit more information about the up and coming things and events and stuff like that. And also you can get the online shop and buy tools and equipment and merchandise if you're keen. That is everything for the minute, and there'll be more news about the Patreon. I'm going to do a bit of a shake up on that, but yeah, that's everything. So I'm going to leave the video there. Once again, thank you for joining me. I'll leave a link up here to a video YouTube thinks is good for you. There's a link down here for the most recently uploaded. This one up here is the subscribe button, and there should be a video down there that I've chosen. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye.